Pridelines secures $300,000 grant from ViiV Healthcare for HIV programs and creation of Warrior 2. In breaking news, Pridelines, Miami's LGBTQ community center, told Queer News Tonight that they received a $300,000 three-year grant from ViiV Healthcare to expand its efforts in stopping the spread of HIV/AIDS. The grant, awarded through ViiV Healthcare's Positive Action for Latinx Men initiative, will enable Pridelines to introduce new programs, including the launch of Warrior 2 in Spanish, an expansion of the HALO Awards, and other key initiatives aimed at HIV/AIDS prevention and care. Dr. Edward Summers, Executive Director of Pridelines, expressed his thoughts after receiving the grant, saying, quote, "We are deeply grateful for ViiV's significant commitment to Pridelines and the communities we serve. This grant is a testament to the impact of our work and our dedication to combating HIV/AIDS through inclusive and culturally responsive programming," end quote. This announcement highlights a monumental year for Pridelines, which also received a 2-year grant from Miami Homes for All to establish the first publicly funded LGBTQ housing initiative in Miami-Dade County. In 2024, Pridelines expanded to 4 locations, increased staff by 300%, and saw a 300% rise in community engagement. The support from ViiV Healthcare will further enable Pridelines to strengthen its HIV/AIDS prevention and care programs and continue its mission to improve queer health and wellness across Miami-Dade County. Finally, some more good news. We need more good news, and congratulations to Pridelines, as well as Queer News Tonight anchor and Executive Director of Pridelines, Dr. Edward Summers. A job well done.
Yeah, that's amazing. 300%. Wow. That's incredible.
It's what Pridelines is doing has been transformative. I mean, like, and like you said, to our good friend here at Queer News Tonight, to Dr. Summers, you are just killing it. Like, that is like providing so much space for folks to thrive, to be themselves. This kind of message. I also love this message today that there's a lot of positive stuff that's coming out, and our focus on it needs to. We need to do more of that.
You know, it's shown since he's taken on that role there, how much they've done. And when you hear people talk about that they're not really growing or they're not doing much, you know, follow some leaders' footsteps, you know, if in your organization, touch base with them and say, what can I do in my community to do what you're doing? And hopefully, you know, and I know, you know, Dr. Summers, and he's obviously more than willing to lead and teach people how it's done.
Right.
It's not the issue. There's plenty to go around for everybody. So
there's a lot of work to be done.
Yes.